Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting book summary that will surely change your life. We'll be delving into Tony Robbins' transformative book, Awaken the Giant Within. Tony Robbins is a world-renowned life coach and author, known for his motivational strategies and personal development teachings. Let's explore the key insights from this powerful book that will help you unlock your true potential. But before we dive into the content, I kindly request a moment of your time to appreciate this video by liking it, subscribing to the channel, and ringing that notification bell. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Awaken the Giant Within is a book or life guide written by Tony Robbins, a professional coach and motivational speaker. The purpose of this book isn't only to help you become the best version of yourself, but to lead you in getting to know yourself better. The greatest thing about that mixture is that provides not only recipes for success and some stories from strangers to you, but it helps you to understand and link each of them with yourself. In your specific situation, no matter in which position you currently are, it will teach you to listen to yourself, your body, your mind, and your emotions. You will learn how to control them and use the best they can give you. Awaken the Giant Within: How to Take Immediate Control of Your Mental, Emotional, Physical, and Financial Destiny, is written by Tony Robbins, an American businessman, best-selling author, and philanthropist. He's an authority on the psychology of leadership, negotiations, and organizational turnaround, and has served as an advisor to leaders around the world for more than 38 years. He has also created the #1 personal and professional development program of all time. And more than 4 million people have attended his live seminars. He has been honored by Accenture as one of the top 50 business intellectuals in the world, by Harvard Business Press as one of the top 200 business gurus, and he was recently named in the top 50 of Worth magazine's 100 most powerful people in global finance. The book is split into 4 parts and 26 chapters. The first part is just the introduction, talking about the purpose and the flow of the book. The second one talks about the master system, teaching you in depth how to look at your brain and how to recognize your needs. The third part covers the 7-day challenges that summarize all the tips from the previous part. And the last one is the conclusion with a message that will awaken the best part of every human, his soul. Awaken the Giant Within offers a comprehensive framework for personal development, providing strategies, tools, and insights to help individuals unleash their inner power, overcome obstacles, and create a life of fulfillment and success. Imagine living a life where you have full control over your destiny, where you can conquer your fears, set ambitious goals, and achieve extraordinary success. Awaken the Giant Within serves as your roadmap to personal empowerment and self-mastery. We all have unlimited potential in us. Through self-mastery, we can take control of our lives, harness the forces that shape destiny, to have and achieve anything we want in life. This is a detailed action guide by Tony Robbins to show how you can make fundamental and lasting changes to transform your quality of life. In this free Awaken the Giant Within summary, we'll give a synopsis of the various tips, tools, and techniques from Robin to awaken the giant within yourself. Everyone is born with talents and opportunities, and deep inside, we all wish to make a difference. Yet, we often lack the focus and confidence to do so. Here, Robbins acts as your personal coach, sharing his ideas, experiences, and distinctions, with examples and tips to awaken us to our true potential and help us take action. Tony Robbins outlines practical strategies and tools to help you take charge of your life and create lasting change. 1. The power of belief. Robbins emphasizes the impact of our beliefs on our thoughts, emotions, and actions. By identifying and shifting limiting beliefs, you can reprogram your mind for success. Remember, your beliefs shape your reality. 2. Take control of your emotions. Learn how to master your emotions and leverage them to drive positive outcomes. Robbins highlights the importance of emotional intelligence in achieving personal and professional growth. 3. Setting compelling goals. Setting clear and compelling goals is essential for creating a fulfilling life. Robbins guides you through the process of goal setting and provides actionable steps to turn your dreams into reality. 4. The science of personal change. Understand the psychology behind behavior change and learn how to implement lasting transformations in your life. By adopting empowering habits and rituals, you can make positive changes stick. 5. Unleashing your inner power. Awaken the giant within you by tapping into your unlimited potential. Robbins reveals strategies to boost your confidence, increase your energy, and supercharge your motivation. Some of the takeaways from the book are: when we focus consistently on improvement in any area, we develop unique distinctions on how to make that area better. Anytime you sincerely want to make a change, the first thing you must do is to raise your standards. If you raise your standards but don't really believe you can meet them, you've already sabotaged yourself. If you set a higher standard, and you can get yourself to believe, then you certainly can figure out the strategies. Too many of us leave ourselves at the mercy of outside events over which we may have no control, failing to take charge of our emotions, over which we have all the control. I believe that it is in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. If you don't make decisions about how you're going to live, then you've already made a decision, haven't you? You're making a decision to be directed by the environment instead of shaping your own destiny. If you don't set a baseline standard for what you'll accept in your life, you'll find it's easy to slip into behaviors and attitudes or a quality of life that's far below what you deserve. Awaken the giant power of decision and claim the birthright of unlimited power, radiant vitality, and joyous passion that is yours. Making a true decision means committing to achieve results and then cutting yourself off from any other possibility. Mastery takes as long as you want it to take. God's delays are not God's denials. Know that it's your decisions, and not your conditions, that determine your destiny. A man who suffers before it is necessary suffers more than is necessary. The secret of success is learning how to use pain and pleasure instead of having pain and pleasure use you. If you do that, you're in control of your life. If you don't, life controls you. It is not enough to have a good mind. The main thing is to use it well. The beginning of a habit is like invisible thread, but every time we repeat the act, we strengthen the strand. Add to it another filament until it becomes a great cable and binds us irrevocably. Thought and act. Ask, and you will receive. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and it will be open to you. Realize that the emotions you are feeling at this very moment are a gift, a guideline, a support system, a call to action. If you suppress your emotions and try to drive them out of your life, or if you magnify them and allow them to take over everything, then you're squandering one of life's most precious resources. Whatever you resist tends to persist. Kill the monster while it is little. Persistence overshadows even talents as the most valued and effective resource in creating and shaping the quality of life. Hold yourself responsible for a higher standard than anybody else expects of you. As long as we structure our lives in a way where our happiness is dependent upon something we cannot control, then we will experience pain. It is only with the heart that one can see rightly. What is essential is invisible to the eye. The only way to discover the limits of the possible is to go beyond them into the impossible. Your capability is constant, but how much of it you use depends upon the identity you have for yourself. If we all did the things we are capable of doing, we would literally astound ourselves. We have time enough if we will, but use it aright. We fail to recognize that it is the small decisions you and I make every day that create our destinies. It's not what we do once in a while that shape our lives, but what we do consistently. You and I can change how we feel in an instant, just by changing our focus. The ultimate success formula. Decide what you want. Take action. Notice what's working or not. Change your approach until you achieve what you want. In conclusion, Awaken the Giant Within is a must-read for anyone looking to transform their life and achieve their full potential. By applying the powerful strategies outlined in this book, you can break through barriers, overcome challenges, and create a life of abundance and fulfillment. You can find the link to acquire a copy of this incredible book in the description below. Remember, you have the power to shape your destiny and unleash the giant within you. Thank you for watching our book summary of Awaken the Giant Within by Tony Robbins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Stay tuned for our next video as we explore more books that will change your life. Remember, you have the power to awaken the giant within. See you next time.